I drew the image on tracing paper first. Because I want to see underneath to decide the position of the tap water, the aperture here. And originally it was higher, but then I decided to make it lower. I made a dummy turning wheel, drawing lines like water lines, and decide whether it is a good position. The water line should be as vertical as possible, so I think it would be better to have the aperture at the center of the turning wheel in terms of the vertical height. Like this. The structure of the turning wheel is like this. You have a circular disc and make a hole at the center, and the hole should be of the same size as the inner hole of this hub, and the outer circle of the hub can be larger, and then you cut wedges like this, and put it through the inner hole of the circular disc or the turning wheel, and I have a rectangle piece which is more or less the same as the width of the hub, these two flaps of the hub, and I will glue them down so that these two flaps will be kept in position. Just put glue on the two flaps, don't put it on the other areas, otherwise the turning wheel can't turn. So the back of the turning wheel is like this. After I cut out the turning wheel, I used a drawing compass to draw dotted circular lines on the turning wheel, but I forgot to draw it before I cut out the inner circle. So the turning wheel moved around. So before you snip away the inner circle, draw the lines first. Then I used ink gel pen to reinforce it, and with wiggly lines, and they are wider and more prominent. After I decide the position of the turning wheel and the center, I made a mark on the tracing paper. Then I transfer the position of the center of the circle on the base page. You can either puncture a hole on the base paper or base page either by a needle like this, or if you don't want to make a hole on the base page, then I'll do this and use a pencil to make a mark, and then like this, draw on it, and then draw across, and this will be the center. The center on the base page doesn't have to be the exact position. I also need to make a notch here so that I can turn the wheel easily. In fact, I already punctured a hole here, which is the center of the circle. And I used glue tack to glue the turning wheel in this position. Then I can decide where the notch should go. I have snipped away the notch just now. Now I can glue the pieces in position. I've put glue on here and double-sided tape here. I'll draw an arrow in this direction to show that the turning wheel has to be turned like this. And the reason why I used purple colored base page is because I want to glue it on this page and or this card, And this page is also purple in color. And that's about it of my sharing of this page of this card. Thanks for watching. Bye!